Yes.
And that's why your English is so good.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And the problem is that I don't get people to talk in
Yeah.
English around me.
Mm-hmm.
And as I already told you, that the current location is in a village. So 99% people they speak in their regional language.
With religion, also language, you said food, everything is very diverse, right?
Yes,
Um,
because sometimes we ask that, hey, how do you cook this? How do you call this?
mm-hmm.
And and they suppose they cook a particular dish in a particular way,
Yeah.
okay? And and I said that, oh my gosh, I cook it in a different style, in a different way. And then say,
Wow.
really? And they say, really? I didn't think
Yeah.
that we can cook like that. Or
Wow.
so
That's interesting.
I feel like I am not in India.
Really? Like you're in a different country.
Yes.
Yeah. Isn't that why there are so many languages in India? Is because these different regions used to be kind of separate and then they were brought together
Uh,
many, many years ago.
Not exactly, but almost that you are saying.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
A little different.
Yes. Because
Okay.
if you go in a history, then you
Mm-hmm.
can look India separating because
Mm-hmm.
Indonesia was also the part of India. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Indonesia and I think Thailand, Philippines, these continents were also the part of Indian subcontinent.
Wow.
Yes. So if you go in geography, then you get it.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Interesting.
So
And I'm
so I
wondering,
just enjoy.
so, oh, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. That's great. But I'm wondering, when you watch TV, what language do they broadcast the TV series and movies in? Is it
Okay,
Hindi?
so very that's an interesting question.
Uh-huh.
So if I'm here, okay, actually I'm here, but I want to say that if you in the south, then it
Mm-hmm.
depends on the region in which state, and
Okay.
they prefer uh, to have broadcasts in regional language. First of all, regional.
Ah,
Yes,
gotcha. Okay. So it's not, there's no voiceover, it's just the regional language. Okay.
actually.
Okay. Interesting.
And also we have Bollywood films, Bollywood.
Yes,
Uh,
of course.
so
Yeah.
Bollywood films, these are in Hindi language. And
Uh-huh.
South Indians, they watch these films in their own regional languages.
Oh, okay.
And I'm from North, and we watch their films in our regional languages.
Really interesting. Wow. That's very cool. That's very cool. Um, and is it
So,
common for, oh, go
uh-huh.
ahead.
Okay, so why not Sarah come here to explore India?
I want to come to explore India now. I've always wanted. I love Indian food. I grew up with a lot of friends who immigrated from India that went to my school.
Mm.
And so their grandmas who didn't speak English would always make me lots of delicious foods, and I loved it. So I would love to
Oh,
visit
great,
India
great,
someday. Yeah.
great,
Um,
great.
how what would you say is the best place in India, or some of the best places to visit as a tourist?
Okay, that's cool. In fact, I recommend tutors when they say,
Yeah.
uh, yes. So actually, if you are nature lover, then I would
Mm-hmm.
prefer to have the state where I'm right now.
Okay.
Okay, and mainly three or four states in the southwest corner, which is
Mm-hmm.
also greenest spot in India. There are two
Gotcha.
greenest spots. Okay, so one is here. Uh, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra, these
Mm-hmm.
states have very beautiful nature here. You can
Mm-hmm.
explore and enjoy. And
Okay.
another green spot in the East
Mm.
India. So
Mm-hmm.
there are seven states there, which
Gotcha.
are also known as seven sisters. So you can also,
Oh,
yes,
the Seven Sisters. And what is so
yes,
beautiful about the nature there? Are there any specific mountains or
mountains,
beautiful places?
yes,
Mountains. Okay.
mountains, yes, mountains, and also tribes. You
Wow.
can you can get familiar with tribes there and local
Wow.
cuisines there. So yeah, you
Interesting.
can, yes.
When you say tribes, do you mean people who live like a simpler lifestyle? What do you mean?
Now, like the people who lives only in the forest, tribes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, separate from modern
Separate
world.
from civilization. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like they don't use
actually.
technology.
They use because there are people who are coming now, okay,
Yeah.
and they are get familiar with modern time.
Gotcha.
So,
Oh, very cool.
Sarah, we have just few seconds, I see.
Yes, I know. The time went by quickly. It was so nice to talk to you, though. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you so much, Sarah, and hope to talk to you soon. Take care
Me
of
too.
yourself
Thank you. You too.
and
Very nice
welcome to
to see
India,
you.
Sarah.
Oh, thank you. See you. Have a good day. Bye
I
bye.
write you. I write you, okay?
Awesome. Great. I'm happy about that.